Building staircases have become way easier nowadays, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can achieve that. In as much as this video or this information is going to be more useful to construction workers and especially those who are ready to invest in the construction industry, I also think it's going to be beneficial to those who just need more information or love knowledge. So the solution I'm trying to talk about here is actually automatic staircase ram mould. And automatic staircase ram molds are devices that enable or ease the building of staircases, allowing for lots of customizability and consistency across projects. The way this device works is that they take the shape that we assign or customize it to take, and then concrete can be poured inside and solidifies to take the exact shape of the desired staircase that we want it to do. These automatic molds are designed to streamline the entire process. They allow you to create custom ramps and staircases with consistent quality and speed. In conclusion, technology has always found a way to make our lives better, and I think automatic staircase ram molds is a good example. I hope this video was useful and see you in the next video.